Hi there, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to automate subscription billing on Wix. So for this, I'm here on dashboard of Wix. In the left side, we have App Market. So click on App Market. So a new tab will open and here in search bar, search for subscription. Simply type subscription and press enter. So you will find multiple apps there. Okay, so let me search for subscription here. Okay, so as I press enter, there you will find multiple apps which is doing the same function. So we will go with Wix pricing plans here. If I click on it, so as you can see, okay, on the right side, we have this site. So this is how your site will look when you add this app. So click on install and your app will be installed in your site. As you can see, let me zoom in. Okay, so now you can see this is how your site will look when someone try to automate billing. So this is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.